guys. I'm currently in Kigali, Rwanda. If you look around, this is not Nigeria, even for the clean road. Can you just show them around a bit? I like to show you around anytime I'm in another country. Currently in Rwanda, I'm trying to rest, but this Anita girl will not allow me to rest. So I cannot go far from the country and then go and have my rest. Anita, you are coming up with different things. Come. Don ubanki, don ubanki, don ubanki, Anita. Zaki ci ubanki fa. We are not easy in Nigeria pa. You are playing with our superstar, our 001. We are looking at you since you are bringing out different evidence. We'll just keep quiet. I mean, you think we can fish you out in the US? Okay, contact the hankalin keeper. Take your time. How can I be far in Rwanda and the next thing I'm seeing is she's bringing out, telling us that she can give all Davido baby mama work permit in the US. Who told you that Davido cannot give work permit to all his baby mamas? Okay, you are seeing us finish. Oh. Davido, you see what you cause for yourself. This one, you are the one that caused it. Because right now I came to Kigali, Rwanda to rest. I came to rest. But this your Anita girl will not let me rest. Wallahi, I'm trying to have my peace of mind. Today, the girl will put your number online. Tomorrow, the girl will say, we'll post pregnancy results. Next tomorrow, the girl will say, she want to give your baby mama's work permit. Come, Anita. You are making us to avoid anything they call Anita now. Any name they call Anita, we will not near her again. How can somebody fly us away from Nigeria to Rwanda to rest? And the next thing I'm hearing, this early morning I wake up, the first thing I'm hearing is that you want to give all your baby mama work. Then Ubanki, are you the US government? Ah, na Davido kuma shi ko zai je just go to sleep with Ashawo. And the next day the girl is just open her mouth any day. Even the matter is trying to cool down. The girl will raise it up again. David, I'm warning you. This one is a lesson. You know, sometimes God wants to teach you a lesson. God is teaching you a lesson with this girl. So that you can stay one place. If you like, just stay one place after this one. It's your business. Allow me to rest. I'm in Kigali, Rwanda. Resting, please. I'm the spice creator. This one is something you cannot take away from me. This is something you cannot even argue. I am the spice creator. Google me if you like. Don't Google me, that is your business.